Hey everyone, today we're diving into Visual Studio Code in 2025. Is it still the best free code editor out there? Let's compare it to some top alternatives and find out. First up, why do so many developers love VS Code? It's free, works on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and supports tons of programming languages like Python, JavaScript, and more. Its huge library of extensions lets you customize it for almost any project, from web development to AI coding. The built-in Get support, terminal, and smart autocomplete make coding fast and smooth. Plus, it's open source, so the community keeps it fresh with constant updates. The competition. But how does it stack up against other free editors? Let's look at three big rivals. VS Codium is basically VS Code without Microsoft's tracking. Great for privacy fans, but some Microsoft extensions don't work. Sublime Text. Super fast and lightweight with a clean design. It's free to try, but you'll get pop-ups to buy a license. It's not as feature-packed as VS Code out of the box. Vim, a favorite for keyboard lovers. It's lightweight and crazy customizable, but the learning curve is steep, and it lacks VS Code's modern interface. VS Code isn't perfect. It can be a bit heavy on older computers, and some folks don't like its Electron base, which can feel sluggish compared to Sublime or Vim. Still, for most developers, VS Code's versatility, huge extension library, and community support make it tough to beat in 2025. It's still the king of free code editors for a reason. So is VS Code still the best? For most of us, absolutely. What's your favorite code editor? Drop it in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews. See you next time.